Hi everybody, here are the coughs and sneezes for cold snap. 5th grade, your part goes like this. Rest, cough, cough, rest, rest, cough, cough, rest, cough, rest, cough, rest, cough, rest, achoo, cough, rest, rest, cough, cough, rest, rest, achoo, 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 achoo. Remember, you're then gonna go achoo. So I hope this helps. Use it to practice. Keep on singing at home, and I'll see you at school. Bye.